Tired of overcomplicated website builders? I'm going to show you how to launch a high-converting landing page in just 5 minutes using ConvertKit. First, log into your ConvertKit account if you don't have one. There's a link in the description to sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, click on Landing Pages and Forms. Now hit that bright red Create New button. You'll be prompted to choose between a form or a landing page. Select Landing Page. ConvertKit offers a ton of professionally designed templates. Browse through and pick one that fits your product or offer. I'm going to choose this simple one for an ebook. Alright, the template is loaded. Now for the fun part, customization. Let's start with the headline. Click on the existing text and replace it with your own compelling headline, something that grabs attention. I will type download my free ebook on productivity hacks. Next, customize the image. Simply click on the image area and ConvertKit lets you upload your own image or choose one from Unsplash integration. I'm going to upload an image of a person working at a desk. Now let's tweak the call to action. Change the button text to something that motivates clicks, like get your free ebook now. You can also adjust the button color to match your brand. Of course, the most crucial part, the lead capture form. ConvertKit automatically includes an email address field. You can add more fields like name or company, but keeping it simple often increases conversions. Finally, click Settings at the top. Give your landing page a descriptive name and customize the URL. This is important for tracking and sharing. Now hit Save and Publish. ConvertKit gives you a direct link to your landing page. Share it on social media, in your email signature, or anywhere else you want to collect leads. That's it, a professionally designed landing page in under 5 minutes. Now you can start growing your email list and promoting your products with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.